CBSE conducted Class 10 Social Science Board exam today, and now we are standing in front of a school in Noida to catch the reactions from students. How was your exam?
अच्छा क्या?
Any tricky questions?
No.
How much marks were expecting?
75 above.
75 above. And how was it in comparison with the last year question paper and sample?
मैंने तो सारी चीज़ प्रैक्टिस की थी. आ गया बस.
Any out of the syllabus question?
नहीं.
How was your exam?
It was nice.
Your name and school?
Akshita.
So, how would you rate it? Easy, moderate, or difficult?
It was easy and moderate. Like a backbencher can also do it.
So, any out of the syllabus question or tricky question you experienced?
No, it was like only from NCERT.
And you completed it on time. It was lengthy.
Before 50 minutes.
Okay, that's good. So, how many marks you are expecting?
I'm expecting like around 70.
Thank you so much.
गुड अच्छा गया था मतलब कर दिया.
Was it lengthy?
यस
It was lengthy. And was it of easy level, moderate level?
मॉडरेट लेवल.
How many marks you are expecting?
60 लाइक 60 ऐसे हो सकता है.
And in comparison to the last year question papers and sample papers, was it easy?
नो थोड़ा बहुत लेंदी था.
And how many? Okay, your marks is you are expecting. And which stream you are opting for in class 11?
कॉमर्स.
Everything was from NCERT.
यस मैम.
Okay, how was your paper?
Paper was very easy. I was not studying like properly. I have studied one day before the exam, but still it was very easy. Like I can score 101 number.
You completed it on time?
Yeah.
It wasn't lengthy.
Lengthy it last के बाद 15-20 minutes वापस बच गए थे.
How was your exam?
It was easy. Actually, if you see the sample paper that CBSE gave, it was more difficult than the actual paper. Like the actual paper had direct questions, but CBSE gave like long questions. So I think that the sample paper was quite difficult, but the actual paper was easier.
So how many marks you are expecting?
Out of 100, if you ask, I am expecting 90 plus, but let's see what happens.
So was it lengthy?
Not actually. I completed it within 2 hours, so it was not lengthy.
And which stream you are opting for in class 11?
PCM.
How was your exam?
Ma'am, my exam was pretty good. Like I am expecting 78 marks. Yes.
So you completed it on time?
Yes, ma'am. I completed 30 minutes ago.
And how many marks you are expecting?
Ma'am, I am expecting 78 marks.
Okay. And in comparison to the last year question paper, you felt that it was easy?
No, ma'am. Yeah, no, ma'am. It wasn't, ma'am. Like the questions were very typically hard, and they were only of basic. Ma'am, they were of 3-4 marks. But ma'am, जो exam में था, ma'am, they gave it for 5 markers. Ma'am, like it was hard to write more about them. Some specific topic.
Yeah, in specific, you are saying like in comparison to the last year question papers, this exam was a bit difficult.
Difficult and lengthy, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which stream you are Okay, how was your exam?
It was fine.
Fine. So did you expect any difficult question in the exam?
Yeah, the 5 markers were a bit difficult, and the case studies.
Okay, the case studies were difficult, and in comparison to the last year sample papers and the question papers, it was difficult.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And lengthy as well.
Yes.
How many marks you are expecting?
65 above.
And which stream you are going for in class 11?
I think I would prefer commerce.
It was really good and fine. The exam was easy at all.
Okay. You completed it on time?
It was like I completed 30 minutes before the.
So some students are saying that it was a bit lengthy and some case study questions were difficult.
Case study was difficult, but if you have done in the starting time, like I started from section F, then section B, then section C, then A, then D. So it was kind of easy then.
So in comparison to the last year question papers and the sample papers, you found it easier?
It was easier than the last year examination because I examined the last year also, and it was kind of easier than that.
How many marks you are expecting?
Above 70.
And which stream you are going for in class 11?
Commerce plus maths.
How was your exam?
It was very tough.
Very tough.
Yes, I expect only 50 plus score.
Because some students are saying like it was easy.
I don't think so. It was so tough.
Was it lengthy also?
Yes, I finished by 1:30.
Completed on the accurate time, like 1:30. Yeah.
Yes, around that only.
You got the revision time?
No.
Okay. And how many marks you are expecting?
As I said, 50 plus only.
And any specific question you want to talk about, or any out of the syllabus question?
No, there was no out of syllabus question as of me.
And in comparison to the last year question papers or sample papers, how was it?
It was, as compared to them, it was easier.
So, as compared to the last year's question paper, it was easier. But on the other hand, you are saying like it was.
Yes, because of me, because I have not prepared well enough.
I can say that it's a personal reason because of the preparation level. Okay. So how was your exam?
The exam was well, everything was inside the syllabus, and
How many marks were expecting?
approximately 70 plus.
Okay. And how was the map section?
Map section was extremely easy, it was from the sample paper, and questions were repeated.
Repeated questions from the last year's question paper or the sample papers?
Both.
And was it lengthy? You completed it on time?
I got completed around 15 minutes ago. Like, 15 minutes were left, I did not get any time to underline.
Can a backbencher can score good marks in this paper?
It depends on how much, like I don't think a backbencher can expect above 65 marks.
And how many marks you are expecting?
Around 70 to 75
And which stream you are going for in class 11?
PCM.
So how was your exam?
It was fine.
Okay. You completed it on time?
Yeah.
What about the questions? Any question out of the syllabus, or can you say any question was tricky?
I was not ready for the question about the public sector, so I had to create my own points on it, but otherwise the paper was pretty easy.
What about the case study section?
It was really easy. Yeah, the easiest section.
And maps?
Both easy.
And in comparison to the last year question papers, it was easy?
I didn't really see the last year question paper.
Sample papers?
Yeah, it was okayish.
And how many marks were expected?
75 above.
And which stream you are going for in class 11?
Science, most probably.
So as per the initial reactions from the students, the exam went really well for them. They were quite happy. The map section was extremely easy and it was from NCERT, and everything was from NCERT itself, and in comparison to the last year's question paper, they said it was very easy. So this is me, Divya Chopra, signing off for India Today Education.